Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Eric from Eric's Gaming Room, and today I will be showing you how to create the best medium-sized gardening plot on Wizard 101. Gardening in Wizard 101 is a really good feature that many use predominantly to get snacks to train pets. Others may use gardening for treasure cards or reagents for crafting, but in this medium plot that I'm about to show you how to make, you can put any kind of plant you want. So I will be right back to get started. Alright, so before we officially get started, I want to go over exactly what you're going to need to create this gardening plot. So, you're going to need the medium soil gardening spell, which you receive from completing the initial gardening quest. You're going to need at least 68 of your energy because we're going to be planting a medium plot 68 times. And then finally, you're going to need a low square table, which you can get from Jilan in the Mushu housing shop. Alright, now it is time for me to officially start making this plot. I'm going to take my low square table and place it as much in this corner as I can. We're going to take our medium soil and put it on top. And now this next part is really important. We want to select our table again, go to advanced moves, and you want to make sure you're working in absolute with X, Y, and Z. If we're working in relative, that's going to move this object based on where our wizard is positioned. So, like, for example, you can see it is just going all over the place. It is not going left and right. Whereas with absolute, it's going in a linear direction. So now that we have that, I'm going to go to the left, which is, in this case, negative y. Make sure your sensitivity is all the way up to 19, and then you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit the green check, go back to your gardening spells, apply medium soil, and you can see how they overlap. Now you're just going to do this 6 more times, and then I will be back to show you how to do the next row. So to create our next row, I'm going to go back to our table advanced moves, and in this case, I'm going to go up 4 XYs. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Plant the soil. And then we're going to do the same thing. Go positive 4 and plant the soil. And then you're just going to keep snaking until it's an 8 by 8, and then I will be back. So I'm about halfway done, but I just wanted to come and show you guys what it's looking like. As you can see, there are kind of these square formations that form when you're creating it, so that's a really good indication that you're doing it right and you're on the right track. And I will see you when I'm done with the 8 by 8. Okay, I'm back with our beautiful 8 by 8 of medium soils, and now we are going to create our last row, which is a little different. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 with our X to create a new row. We're not going to place anything here because it's only going to be the 4 middles, so we're going to go over 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Accept, place our medium soil. Perfect. And then you're going to do that 3 more times. And there you have it. We have the best medium gardening pot in Wizard 101. Feel free to use whatever medium seeds in this plot. You can place whatever objects around it you like. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Once again, my name is Eric from Eric's Gaming Room. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and make sure you check out ericsgamingroom.wordpress.com for more gaming related content. Thank you so much.